Hi everyone, here we are at snowbidder.com. I'm going to do a quick overview run through just to take you through to give you a good idea of how to get everything set up. So when you first sign in, click Let's Get Started. It's going to drop you on the assumptions page. So you are going to want to go through each one of these tabs, add anything that's not already included. It's all preloaded with just average industry data, but everything that you see is customizable. So with equipment, if you have something on here that's not, or if you have something that's not already on the list, you just click the add, fill it in, do your pricing, hit submit, and you're going to be good to go. If you have an existing equipment that's already up here, you can change your pricing. So selling price per hour, square foot per hour, all you do is click on it. You can change it to whatever you'd like. So make sure that you go through all of these and customize them to what you've got going on. So same thing with materials. There's already a list created if you need to add. If there's something on here that you do not use, you can just deselect it and it'll take it away as an option when you're building your bid. So same thing with service levels. You can name them whatever you name them. You can adjust any of the numbers in here as well. Same thing with event ranges. If there's a specific range that your customers want to see, you can just add it here, name it whatever you want, and add your snow ranges. Forecasts, you're welcome to input your own numbers if you have them from a private weather company, or we use all the NOAA stations across the country and all that data. So that's already imported in there too. So once you're done, you're going to click done. You're going to name it whatever you want to name it, and then you're going to map. So again, you're going to spend a lot more time doing this than I am, but I just want to do this to give you a good idea of how it all ties together. So down here at the bottom, you've got Google, you've got Bing, you've got Street Views, all of these that you can use to get really detailed in your mapping. As I mentioned, I'm just doing this quickly just to give you guys an idea. So tools are over here on the left-hand side. So when you are doing this, you're going to want to make sure that you connect your shapes, your polygons, your rectangles, whatever you're doing. You cannot just measure a sidewalk with a line. It won't register in when you get over to the estimating part. So make sure that you are completing your shapes with this process. So we're just going to come around here. As I mentioned, you guys will do a much better job, but for time's sake, then you choose your layer, hit submit. We'll do a couple sidewalks really quick. Double click to connect, oops, and then you can switch the layer to whatever it is. We'll call that one a sidewalk. We'll do another one right here. So once you've done all that, you're going to click save. Again, you're going to name it whatever you want to name it. And then we'll go back to the bid. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your bid. Then you're going to select the map that you just measured. It's going to ask you to confirm that that's what you want to use for your estimate. You're going to say yes, and it's going to pop you to this site. So this has your map on the right, and it's got your breakdown on the left. So these are all the layers that you measured. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to assign your equipment and your materials to each layer. Once you've done that, you'll notice down at the bottom that it's going to build everything out from you. So you're going to choose your service level, select your forecast, and then you're going to get your per push, per event, seasonal, and time and materials all priced out based on your map measurements. So you can just hit export. That'll take it to an Excel spreadsheet, and you can use these numbers to build your bid. It's as simple as that.